Are you thinking about making a move to Port St Lucie, Florida? Imagine living in a brand new home without the restrictions of an HOA. More freedom, more flexibility, and more space you've been dreaming of. I'm Raphael Gonzalez, your local real estate resource here on the Treasure Coast, and on this channel, I take you inside the newest communities, model homes, and hidden gems around Port St Lucie so you can find the perfect place to call home. If you're relocating here, you are in the right place. Make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of my new construction home tours. And when you're ready to make your move, all my contact info is right here. I'd love to help make Port St Lucie your new home. So the model we're walking up to now is designed as a 4-bedroom home with a den, 3 full bathrooms, a 3-car garage, and just over 2,400 square feet under air. You have the option for a front porch or stone accenting like you'll see here, and a covered lanai comes included in the back. Inside of the home you have an open concept floor plan, but still with some traditional elements like a formal dining room and a breakfast nook off from the kitchen. And all of the bedrooms are in separate areas of the home for maximum privacy, with the master in the rear, the guest suite off from the garage, and secondary bedrooms behind the kitchen. The master is huge and will come included with a separate tub and shower, but in this model they're showcasing their deluxe master bath option, which gives you a deep walk-in closet and a larger shower with a rain head. This is also one of the very few non-HOA new construction homes that you can build and design from scratch where you don't have to buy your own lot first. The builder acquires their own and sells the house and the lot together, which makes the process of building a lot easier, especially if you're a first-time homebuyer, and saves you money at the same time. Thinking about making a move to Port St Lucie, whether you're relocating for work, lifestyle, or even to get more home for your money if you're moving up from Miami or Broward, I'd love to be your local guide. I specialize in helping families and individuals relocate here, making the process smooth from start to finish. From finding the right neighborhood, to navigating new construction, to connecting you with trusted local resources, I've got you covered. So if you're considering a move, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. I'm posting new construction tours every single week. And when you're ready to take the next step, you can reach out to me directly or use the link in the description to schedule a call with me. We'll talk about your goals, your timeline, and I'll help you figure out the best options for you here in South Florida. Thank you for joining me on today's home tour here in Port St Lucie. If you're looking for a brand new home with no HOA, you've seen how many amazing options are out there. If you're ready to take the next step, give me a call, send me a text, or shoot me an email. I'd love to guide you through the process of finding your perfect home here on the Treasure Coast. And don't forget, I post new construction tours and local updates every single week. So hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next video.